Hey guys, it's Maureen. Welcome back. Welcome back to me too, because it has been a while, maybe 2 weeks. It's iPhone month now, and I am very ecstatic that the iPhone 12 Pro has been released already, and next week is going to be the 12 Pro Max, and I can't wait. I cannot wait for the new iPhone, for the Pro Max. It's gonna be bigger than my phone here, I guess, because this is like 6.5 and the new one is going to be 6.7. So we will see how big it is. So when the iPhone 12 Pro Max unboxing, after that video, I'm gonna be comparing this phone and the 12 Pro Max. The difference from the camera to the size to what it can do and everything. So hopefully we can do that even if we are busy here. So today I'm going to be doing my last two case unboxing for my iPhone 11 Pro Max. So without further ado, here it is. Sonix and woo! The peach color. I love that they have information right at the back of the box, and it says a 5-star rating in design, quality, and protection. It is also a drop test certified. This is actually the watercolor leopard clear coat case. This feels different. And here you go. The first time I felt it, I touched it, I feel like this is like the chroma cases because of the type of material they have for the sides. Also that this is a back plate right here, but it is not. I can't take it off. I was trying to push it up or down here so that it will come off, but it's not coming off. I did not plan this at all. I'm wearing right now a leopard print dress, and we are unboxing a leopard print case from Sonix. What are the chances? Let us take the time to enjoy this sexy curve right here, because anytime soon we are not gonna be able to see this anymore. It's all be gone, flat edges and no curves at all, like this. Bye bye curves, hello flat edges. This is the top, and that is the side, and then you can see a Sonix branding right here, and you can also see a Sonix branding at the back, at the lower back.
This is not the Sonix fast food chain that you know. This is the Sonix iPhone case.
And let's go to the bottom right here. It is covered, and you will just see the cutting for the charging area and then the speakers. This is the side, volume up and down. As I was looking at the lip for the camera cutting right here, it's actually really high, and it's always nice to have a high lip on the camera cutting so that whenever you lay your iPhone case, and of course it's always camera down on the surface, it's not gonna get scratched. At the front part of the phone right here, they have on the case, they have this high lip so that, you know, whenever you want to set your phone this front down on the surface, it will not get scratched too. If you want to put it in your bag and everything, it's still gonna get scratched if you don't have a screen protector. That's it for these case. It's actually decent, like for the price, it's actually looking really good. It's a very durable case, especially with the siding right here, the edges. Yeah, I would buy this. I've had Sonix cases before this big iPhones. I think I had Sonix when I had my iPhone 6s. I have been supporting Sonix for a long time. This is the first time that they contacted me, and I am so excited that they reached out and sent this case right here. They also added the Sonix edge-to-edge glass screen protector here, impact and scratch protection. I already have one on my phone. I am not gonna be using this phone anymore, so I think there's no point of putting the or installing the screen protector in this phone, so I might just like give this to you guys if I am going to be doing a giveaway. So yeah, I'm just gonna include this if you have a iPhone XS Max or a iPhone 11 Pro Max. So I'm gonna try the buttons right here on the side. Let's see if it works. Let's play a song here. Volume down and volume up. Volume down again. Oh, that's really soft, guys. Let's see the screen. Turn off the screen right here. It's super soft. Do you hear that? It's so soft. So I've told you guys I have been supporting Sonix ever since I've had my iPhone 6s at 2013. It's 2020 and it's been, I guess it's been a long time since they were on the market. They know what they are doing, especially with their cases. They know what they're doing with their buttons right here. Protection of the phones of the consumers. I trust them. The first time I saw them in 2013, I loved them already. Cute cases, very protective, and yeah, I'm gonna give you more informations right here on their website.
I'm just typing here Sonix on Google, and the name of the website is shopsonix.com. I'm just scanning the website now, and their products is so cute and colorful, and I love it. So LA-based Sonix is dedicated to adding statement making style to everyday essentials. For work and play, Sonix takes a fresh look at daily basics to create those "where did you get that" moments. Sonix currently ships to over 40 countries. I like that they have a warranty, and as long as the product that you bought is not on final sale items, it can be returned within 30 days of purchase if unused and in resealable condition. So if you have any questions, there are already questions that has already been answered here, and I will be linking it down in the description box.
So they sent a Sonix ring here, Rhinestone phone ring, and we're going to install it on our case here. Let's see. So there's a line right here, so let's just try rip that. So they have this white sticker right here, and then here's the phone ring, Rhinestone phone ring. Oh, very sturdy. Oh, let's peel this off. Let's install it on our leopard case here. Maybe it's like this because the Sonix branding is right there, so maybe that's how you install it, so that you could read the branding.
Sorry, I didn't quite catch that.
Oh God, Siri, what are you doing? You're scaring me here. Here. Ooh. Oh man, it looks good. Wow. Not bad. Huh. Nice. Wow. With my fingers, it's so thin. I'm not really a fan of these phone rings. That's why I buy the pop sockets and the... what's the other one? I forgot. It's pretty good. Me like it. Or it will add more. I guess this made it more sexy. The rhinestone one. So, Sonix, thank you so much for sending this. As I was like playing with this phone ring right here, it's kind of weird because it got kind of crooked right there. I'm like, why, how, why, when, where? I did kind of move it a little bit here so you can actually move it around, and that is really cool. Wow, amazing. Approved. Okay guys, so let's finish the next ones. I unboxed 2 of these cases from Caseco or Casico or however you pronounce that. Let's unbox this. I think this is for, it didn't say what kind. Oh shoot, I think these wrong. All in all guys, I love the case. The 35 bucks with a $15 phone ring right here, I think it's worth it compared to buying silicone case from Apple, which is 49 bucks. It's not promised that you can put a phone grip right there because it's kind of hard to stick a phone grip on a silicone case. They've been doing this for a long time, so they are on point on everything right here. It looks like it's gonna last you a long time. Definitely protect your phone for a long time. Just like what I said, this side right here looks like a case from Chroma or the bumper from Chroma. So that's amazing. It's a high quality bumper. And their back plate too, though it's not a back plate, but it's the back of the case, and it's really sturdy. Plus with their rings, I super love it. I love the 360-degree turn right here. Stylish, and it matches my dress right here. Thinking about just giving this away to you guys, doing a giveaway soon. And I guess this is it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for always supporting this channel. I love you guys so much. I hope you have a wonderful day and night, and I will see you on my next one. Bye.